Welcome into extra time. We're in safe hands because we've got two goalkeepers in the studio. Yes. How was the skiing?
It was good. I loved every minute of my time there.
It goes
Great advantage.
No, half it goes, and then you go back into the dream.
Right, let's see Jules' head exploding here.
Gab is never late.
Who sends a picture of traffic?
It's in his house, that's why. Oh, don't start swearing, Jules. I'm not Ian Dark, calm down. Is Stevie still itchy?
Did you even watch the other?
60 yards! He runs 60 yards and beats the goalkeeper. You're saying that?
Oh, I lost something at the back. I'm good. It's New Year. Happy New Year to all of you.
When is the Grinch coming back? AKA Craig.
Craig is the only person who goes on holiday and comes back grumpier.
Bang, bang. Did you like the retro Chelsea look?
Yeah, it's a great kit. I mean, it's much better than that one. I mean, Craig's looking slimmer now than he was when he was playing, so I'm not sure what's happening there.
I went for a medical for my immigration. And they said, what a fine specimen.
I'm afraid the sore throat has got worse over the last 24 hours, but the brave boy is here, battling through it.
Oh, excuse me, doctor, I've got a sore throat. Just a bit husky, like Bonnie Tyler or Rod Stewart.
Which of the guys is the most outdated when it comes to technology or not keeping...
It was all rap nonsense. Oh, my, what a racket. Hey, as soon as they walked out the door to go in the game, me and Bonzi,
Yep.
get it off.
Look who's here. Mark Ogden, yep, eyebrows are good, Mark, you're sorted.
Valverde. Do you have red wine or white wine? How do you do?
Red wine. Red wine.
Yeah,
So when?
for sure.
At 3 in the morning?
Yeah, just right now. While I'm talking.
I fancy dressing up for you. I knew that Craig was ill, and I thought I'd try and take attention away from his sore throat for him. But then, of course, he comes riding in and thinking he's Rod Stewart, and it's all gone horribly wrong.
You may ridicule my voice, but have you been on the stage at Madison Square Garden?
What a disappointment for people going to watch the concert, having you up there.
And they were going, oh, the bloody hell is that?
Boo, so
Boo, get off!
Boo.
I like the deep voice.
I think it's quite sexy, Craig. I like it, quite alluring.
Yeah, I thought so.
Oh, dear.
It's not quite as deep today, is it?
No, I can report it's on its way back. It's on its way back to full volume and delivery.
It's the what do you call that when the singers can't sing, can't get the...
the sinuses, laryngitis.
Nah, you're off the cuff.
Well, thank you very much for watching ESPN on YouTube. For more sports highlights and analysis, be sure to download the ESPN app. And for live streaming, premium content, and let's not forget as well, ESPN FC 7 days a week. Subscribe to ESPN+.